Several illegal immigrants have been arrested from Mashishing Township in Mpumalanga province. Reports suggest that 46 illegal immigrants were arrested following vigilant observation by an official of Thaba-Chwewu municipality. According to reports, Acting Control Immigration Officer was tipped of 2 trucks parked at the Mashishing Township full of people who were suspected of being undocumented foreign nationals. Upon investigation, it was found that the occupants of the 2 trucks were indeed 46 undocumented foreign nationals from different countries. In total, 2 Zambians, 14 Mozambicans, 17 Malawians, and 13 Zimbabweans were arrested. We are now joined in by Mpumalanga Provincial Police spokesperson, or rather police spokesman, Colonel Leonard Hlati, right? Colonel, welcome to ANN7. Could you tell us, how did you intercept these illegal immigrants?
Good day, Palisa, and to the listeners. We received information from the Acting Migration Officer, which of course they needed a backup from us, that they have got an information regarding 2 trucks that were loaded with undocumented foreign nationals. We then set off to the scene, and we indeed uncovered that the people that we were informed about were coming from different countries, as we have spoken: Zimbabweans, Malawians, Zambians, and also Mozambicans. In total, we've got 46 undocumented foreign nationals. The reason thereof why they were in the country that was given to us was that they were here for an employment. There is a communication company, which of course we do not want to divulge the name currently, pending the investigation thereof, brought them here so that they can work for them. So we also, arrested the person, the manager thereof, charging him for giving employment to foreign nationals without relevant documentation. So therefore, all of them, including the 46, will be appearing before the Ladenburg Magistrates Court on Tuesday. Because this is uncalled for. We cannot allow a situation wherein people will just go around breaking the law, knowing exactly that it's unlawful to hire people from other countries without relevant documentation.
Of course, Colonel, but there are also reports that these illegal immigrants were hired by One Optical Media Works, which is supposed to, to install MTN lines in Mashishing. And can you tell us more about this?
Yeah, this is exactly a probe that we are going to expand. Like I said, that I do not want to mention names of companies, because everything that had been said will have to be subjected into scrutiny. We will go yonder and see as to every allegation that was said to us is correct. But somebody must be held responsible, because it is uncalled for that people can be employed willy-nilly without relevant documentation. There are laws in this country, and they must be followed.
So can we confirm that this is definitely a form of cheap labor?
I cannot actually confirm it, but yes, after we shall have investigated and uncovered everything, we might actually get to that point as to what led to this act that has been committed.
Thank you so much, Colonel. We will be keeping our viewers updated on the story.